Alright, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to restore a database into Docker Linux container. So I already have Docker installed, so let's take a look. So it's sudo docker ps-a. So this is my Docker container. So basically on the host, the port is 2018 pointing to 1433, and this is the random generated the Docker image name, or use the Docker image ID. This is Docker image ID, and the Docker image I used is the latest Docker image from Microsoft. Okay, so this is the Docker image. This is the tag is latest. This is the image ID, and this is the name. All right, so first let me connect to the database. So it's SQL. Let's see, SQL CMD. I'm gonna connect to the host name is H2. The port number is 219. All right, so I connected. You do select edit version. You will see this is 2019 on the Linux Ubuntu. Okay, so there's no other database on this. This is the system database. Okay, in order to install database into the Docker container, so first let's get a backup image. So I'm going to use the curl, follow the IBM Microsoft document, basic use curl. And from this URL to download the wide world importer database. This is the backup. So I'm going to run this command and download to a file called wwi.bak. All right, so it's going to take a few seconds to download this image. So I'm going to use Microsoft Management Studio to connect the database. So database engine, here is the server name, host name, comma, port number. This is called name the instance. I'm going to use SQL Server authentication and connect. So let's browse to the database. We only have for system database. And let's go back to my Linux. So the backup has been downloaded, and the size about 100 megabytes. And first, this is my host, Linux host. So we need to copy this image into the Docker container. So let me do a cp. So this is the command I'm going to do, sudo docker copy, and then this is the image I downloaded into /temp and with the name wwi.bak. This is the Docker image container name, container ID, and I'm gonna copy into this similar location into the /temp. Okay, let's do a copy. All right, it's copied. Let's take a look. Okay, so I'm gonna run this Docker command, sudo docker exec minus it interactive, then the Docker ID, then list this file. Okay, so all right, let's download it. This file is read by everybody. So now go back to the management studio. I'm gonna use this to do the restore. But because the reason I use this management studio is relatively easy, so you can use script as well. So let's use the pick the device, and from the file you need to know the location. So let's go to temp, Okay, this is where we uploaded the copy to. Okay, so this is backup. We copied. So let's click OK. OK. So it's ready. So you see, it's gonna to the destination is this, and also the files. If you look at the files, it's very clear because on the original backup, the database was file was from the D drive and E drive. With the restore to the Linux, it's everything in the default location / raw opt SQL, MS SQL, and the data. Okay, so let's get ready. So I'm going to say just click OK, and we'll take few 10 seconds and do the install. Okay, let me go back to the command line, and I'm gonna do a SQL command to this. Okay. All right. So the restore finish. It says database wide already imported restore successfully. Okay. Let's go to the menu studio. Oh, it's already there. So you can see, you can browse the tables and the views and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's see. Okay, everything's there. Let's do a test. Let's see sales, invoices. Let's see, select top 1000 rows. All right, so it's function right now. So it's you see, when you restore database, there's no difference from like a typical like a server, either Linux or Windows server. The only difference, you have to copy this backup image from the host to the Linux Docker container, or if you use shared drive, Docker image, you can read the backup from the shared drive. All right, that is a quick video. I'm going to stop here.